So I get asked, should I replace my front door? A lot of times really gets back to several factors. Number one, energy efficiency. Is the door sealed in all the proper spaces? You know, let's say on a windy day or a cold day, do you feel cool air coming through or heat coming through during the summertime? Style. People don't like the style of the door. Usually when homes are built, it's a pretty basic door. You know, a door with a side light, no fancy glass or any really great locking system. So style's a second reason. Third is functionality. Is the door closing properly? Was it hung properly? Over the 10, 15 years you've lived there, the kids and everybody slamming that front door, has it been kind of knocked out of whack? So a lot of times older doors are wood doors. Believe it or not, you don't see them as often. Most doors are steel or fiberglass today, especially here in the Midwest. So the old wood doors will swell and shrink, so you can have issues with it not sealing well. So that really gets back to functionality. Like I said, security. New locking systems on these doors. You know, you've got the digital aspect of it, or you also have the 3-point locking system that gives you extra measures of security. And then probably the last one, I find that after we replace a door, which the biggest comment that I get is noise reduction, and how much less noise comes through that door and or say a window. With a good quality window, a good quality door put on your home today, when you start decide that you want to make those changes, I think that's the one thing that most people comment, other than the aesthetically it's more pleasing to the eye, would be noise reduction. So hopefully when it's time for you to replace your door, you'll notice those things. Thanks again for joining me.